We'll guide you through how to transfer money to someone else's bank account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can see here I'm on my phone, but you can usually do this on your bank's website as well. In my case, my bank has an app which I find much easier to go and use. I'm keeping this guide broad so you can go and follow along with your bank as well. So what we're going to do is first of all go and head to your banking app or banking website. So I personally use the Monzo Bank. You may go and use another. Once again, I'm trying to get this guide broad so you can go and follow along as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and open up the banking app. Now you can go and see your balance. And now what we're going to need to do is you're going to need to go and find the payments or transfer is what's usually going to be under. So on the website, you may need to go and press 3 lines in the top left potentially. You may even need to go and select the account you want to do it with as well. And then hopefully you're going to be able to go and find the payments option somewhere. For example, on Monzo, we can go and see payments at the bottom. So I can go and tap there. Now, once you're on this page, we're going to go and see some different options. At the top for me, I can go and see pay someone, pay by bank transfer or send a link. So we're going to do a bank transfer. So what you can then do is go and tap on pay someone. In some cases, you may need to see an option something like add payee, because first of all, you will need to go and add the payee before we can go and do it. Because of course, you need to have their details on the system. So what you're going to need to do is go and press pay someone new if you haven't paid them before. If you have, they may be shown as suggested. Now what I'm going to do here is go and press add bank details. Now what we can do is go and start adding the account details to the person you want to go and pay. So you're going to need to go and find these out. Now in specifically other countries like America, so in the UK, you've got sort code and account number that identifies the account of the person. Usually in the US, you will have an account number as well, but instead of the sort code, you're going to have a routing number. So you need to go and get the bank details of the person who you're transferring the money to. At the top, you can go and choose a type, whether it's a personal business. I'm going to do a person. And then what we can do here is go and type in the name on the account. And then what we're going to need to do is go and get the sort code and account number. So you need to go and ask the person you're sending the money to for these details. I'm going to go and type those in now. What I'll then do is go and check details. This may not be available for everyone depending upon your bank and country. It says all details match, so I'm then going to go and press continue. Now what I can do is go and type in the amount. Let's go and say I want to do £10. You can then go and add in a reference depending what it was for. Let's say it was for lunch, I could select that there. Now it's important to note that if you're doing this for a payment to a business, you may need to go and add in your invoice number or just go and find out just if you need to add something specific here. Then you can go and press review payment and we can go and confirm it. And I need to do Face ID. And that's it. We're now sending it. I can then go and just put it as eating out or general, something like that. And it will then go and say pending. And with this one here, this bank, you can actually go and undo it before it goes and sends. It gives you a bit of a time there. It's now pending and shortly it's going to go and be sent. That's it. Hopefully you managed to go and send money with the help of this guide. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.